You don't need drugs to destroy your brain. You're doing it every single day. With comfort, you wake up. Scroll for a hit of pleasure, you eat when you're bored. You chase noise instead of peace. But here's the terrifying truth. The more you try to feel good, the less your brain remembers how to. Your dopamine system, the one built to make life exciting, is now numb, overstimulated, and confused. And the killers, they're not the things you fear. They're the things you do every day, without thinking. Let's expose them, one by one, before your brain forgets what real happiness feels like. You think dopamine is pleasure, but it's not. It's purpose disguised as reward. It's the spark that once made mornings exciting, that made challenges feel alive, that made life worth chasing. But now, every scroll, every bite, every tiny hit of comfort, it's stealing that spark, slowly, silently, every single day. Your brain isn't broken. You're not lazy. You're just trapped in habits your dopamine can't survive. And what you call normal life is the reason your ability to feel alive is fading. Let's uncover these silent killers before your brain forgets what real happiness even feels like. Ever scrolled for just 5 minutes and felt empty? It shouldn't do this, but it does. Every swipe hits your dopamine like a tiny spike of fake happiness, then crashes hard. Do you feel tired, yet accomplished nothing? That's your brain screaming for real reward. Ask yourself, when was the last time life felt real? Not your feed, not a notification, not a video. Here's the hidden truth. Your brain is being trained to chase nothing but micro rewards, likes, views, endless scrolling, all tiny hits, all fake. But even one scroll-free minute, awareness, focus, motivation, can spark back. Do you feel busy but accomplish nothing? Your brain feels the same. Every task switch, every ping, every tab you open, it spikes dopamine, then crashes over and over. Multitasking feels productive, but it's a trap. Your focus dies in milliseconds. Ask yourself, why can't you finish simple tasks anymore? The culprit is invisible, yet relentless. Your brain craves novelty, fast, micro rewards everywhere. Email, phone, chat, video, repeat. And here's the terrifying truth. You're addicted to your own overstimulation. Pleasure becomes panic. Productivity becomes chaos. Think sugar is just food. It's not. It's a silent hijacker. Every bite spikes dopamine, briefly, then crashes, leaves emptiness behind. Your brain starts chasing that next hit. Candy, soda, chips, instant reward. Ask yourself, why are you hungry after eating? Not for calories, for the dopamine hit you just lost. Processed food tricks your reward system. It floods pleasure, then drains focus. And here's the hidden trap. Your brain can't tell real reward from fake anymore. You're awake, but your brain isn't. Sound familiar? Sleep isn't just rest. It's your brain's reset button. Every hour lost rewires your dopamine. Motivation fades. Focus vanishes. Pleasure shrinks. Ask yourself, why do mornings feel heavy? It's not the alarm. It's your brain, starving for real recovery. Over time, lack of sleep hijacks your reward system. Simple joys lose their spark. Life feels flat. Here's the shocking part. Even 1 hour less than your body needs can destroy hours of potential focus and drive. Sitting isn't just lazy. It's deadly for your dopamine. Ask yourself, when did you last move for pleasure? Not obligation, not a walk, not a stretch, not a run. Every hour you sit, your reward system shrinks. Motivation fades. Energy drains. Focus disappears. Here's the hidden truth. Dopamine isn't created in your head alone. It's produced when your body moves. No gym, no problem. Just simple movement resets your brain. A walk, a stretch, a sprint, anything. Stress isn't just in your mind. It's silently draining your dopamine. Ask yourself, why do small tasks feel impossible? Why does pleasure feel distant? Every worry, every panic spike floods your brain. Short bursts of stress, tiny dopamine crashes. Here's the hidden trap. Your brain treats constant stress like survival mode. Focus disappears. Motivation evaporates. Joy fades. Even tiny relief matters. One breath, one pause, one moment of calm. Reset your mind. Restore your dopamine. Think scrolling is harmless. Think again. Every video, every post hijacks your dopamine. Instant thrill. Ask yourself, why does life feel boring offline? Your brain craves screens more than reality. Here's the hidden danger. Digital media floods micro dopamine hits. Real achievements feel empty in comparison. Even small limits change everything. Turn one screen off. Take one walk. Notice your mind wake up. Now you know the truth. These 7 habits aren't small. They're secretly hijacking your dopamine. Slowly, silently, relentlessly. But here's the amazing part. Awareness is your superpower. One choice, one moment, one habit at a time. Swipe less, sleep more, move your body, eat for your brain. Manage stress, limit chaos online, reclaim focus. Your brain is waiting to reward you, if you finally let it. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these habits hit hardest? Comment below, share your truth, because when you speak it, you take control. If this video sparked clarity, hit like, subscribe to reclaim focus every single week. Your future self will thank you.